Hello, good morning. This is Manisha from University. Hello, hello, am I audible? Good morning, this is Manisha from Bhubaneswar. Hello, am I audible? Hello, hello, this is Manisha from Bhubaneswar. Today, our topic of discussion is global warming. Good morning, everyone. My name is Manisha, and today our topic is global warming. And as we know, we are suffering from global warming nowadays. Good morning, everyone. My name is Manisha. Today our discussion is global warming. मम्मी टिके पार्टी करना. Hello, hi, good evening. This is Manisha, your placement coach, and today we are going to discuss about online group discussion. And as a candidate, what are the common online GD mistakes we commit and how to get rid of that? What are the things you should not commit and what are the things you should do to ace your placement? Today's video is about this, and if you want to know more, watch the complete video. As we have seen, the impact of COVID in our college placements, and nowadays companies prefer online group discussion to select the right candidate for the right positions. So if you want to excel in your career, you need to be pro in online group discussion. While participating in the online group discussion, please ensure you carry a pen and copy with you so that while discussing you can note down the points from the other participant and you can combine those points for a final conclusion. And you need to make sure while writing the points, you need to make sure you are writing and you are looking at the camera. You should not look here and there, so that moderator will find out you are noting down the points. So you must carry a paper and a pen with you guys. First of all, you need to finalize a proper place before attending or before appearing in the group discussion. You need to find out a right place and you need to arrange a table and a chair where you can sit, appear in the group discussion. And you need to finalize whether you will go with a laptop and a phone. And as a student, you must be having a table and a chair set up where you can sit continuously in the group discussion and you can use your table to mount your phone. Number 2, if you are using a phone for group discussion, what you need to do is you should not hold your phone in your hands. So what you need to do is you need to find out a proper place where you can mount your phone like this way, and while mounting the camera you need to understand the camera should be in horizontal mode, not in vertical mode. You should not hold the camera and you should not hold the phone, and you need to make it still and you need to sit in front of the camera and you need to use your hand gestures while talking to the camera, and you need to make sure your eye contact must be maintained with the camera. Okay, and if you are using a earbuds, make sure it is priorly connected to the phone and the sound of the earphone is very clear. The clarity must be maintained. Number 3, if you are using a laptop, your laptop has been properly arranged prior attending to the group discussion, and you need to sit in front of the camera and you need to make sure your head is completely visible and your head is not getting cut in front of the camera. आपका जो सर है वो थोड़ा सा दिखना चाहिए ऊपर आपका क्या है, and make sure your background is very clear, not messy with unnecessary stuff. And you need to address directly in front of the camera while speaking and use proper hand gestures and proper eye contact and expressions especially. Number 4, most importantly, wherever you are sitting, make sure the internet connectivity is properly working over there, so that while speaking, your audio and video clarity must be maintained. That is most important factor of the online group discussion. While speaking, if your voice is breaking because of technical error, or if you suffer any camera problem, voice audibility, voice clarity, then it will go out of the track. You need to make sure your internet connectivity is wonderful while attending for the group discussion. Number 5, you need to make sure when you are attending online group discussion, your eye contact should be maintained throughout. You should not look here and there talking to the people who are surrounded by you, and you should not see the laptop, you should not read something, you should not talk to something, you should not give any sign, symptom or clues to anyone, and you should not listen to people. You should be very much focused, concentrated and talking to the camera only, because a single mistake on your face, on your body is visible in front of the camera. You must be thinking you are not visible and you are not noticeable, but I tell you one thing, you are properly noticeable and properly audible. So before talking to anyone, before seeing here and there, make sure you are audible and you are visible. Okay. Last but not the least, most important thing, you should not afraid of representing yourself because you are talking to the camera. You should not afraid, because if you afraid, people won't give you much time to represent yourself. And most importantly, whenever you are speaking, make sure it is an online group discussion. You should not speak more and more about the facts and figures. You should be very precise and to the point to get selected and to represent yourself well. So these are the most important criteria to represent yourself in an online group discussion. If you are following these rules, then definitely you will get placed. For more such videos, stay updated with us. Do like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Signing off.